Hi and welcome, it's Jamie Hartley here from Crossfader, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Pioneer DDJ SX3 Serato DJ Pro controller. We're going to showcase some of those features that have been upgraded from its predecessor, the DDJ SX2, but this is just a quick unboxing, first look at the controller. Let's take a closer look. The DDJ SX3 features the familiar layout of its predecessor, the SX2, but with some really important added new features. First of all, Pioneer have added some extra microphone inputs. There is a microphone input along the front of the controller. This is a balanced jack, which is totally independent to the channels. You also have two extra microphone inputs that take over channels 4 and channels 3 on the controller. These are XLRs located on the back of this controller. As we're talking about the back of the controller, there are now two USB inputs. This means that two DJs can go either back to back or play together on this one controller. This is a really nice added feature that I'm definitely welcoming. The face of the controller looks slightly different to the last version, the SX2. That's because the center section now is a slightly different color, which helps you differentiate between the decks and the mixer. This looks quite nice. There are also some extra features that have been implemented into the pad modes. In particular, there is the pitch play feature now, which if you hold shift and press sampler, you can then pitch up and down a certain cue point. This is something we'll look much closer at in our complete review. There are also dedicated buttons to knock the key of a track up and down by one semitone on both the left and right deck. This is enabled with the Serato DJ's pitch and time expansion plugin that comes inside the box. Another really welcomed new feature for me in particular are the dedicated sound color effects for each channel. We have the echo, jet, noise and filter, which have been taken from some of Pioneer's DJM range mixers. This can also be used just like a DJM mixer by plugging turntables or CDJs in and having it as a standalone mixer without the laptop plugged in. One thing that we have lost on the SX3 compared to the SX2 is its volume fader for the sampler channel. This has been replaced by a knob that you can turn up and down right here. All in all, there are some timely new features that have been added to this controller to keep it in line with Serato DJ Pro and some of those important expansion packs. We're going to take a much closer look at this and do a complete review, which you can check out either via the link or coming soon to our channel. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff to help us keep making videos like this. I'll see you soon.